Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8, English version, Math, Measurement Chapter, Exercise 3. Question number 21. The length of a rectangular field. Rectangular field means length is longer than the breadth. This is a rectangular field. The length of a rectangular field is 1.5 times its breadth. So if breadth is x meter, length is 1.5 x meter. An amount of taka 10,260 is spent to plant grass at taka 1.90 per square meters. How much money will be spent at taka 2.50 per meter to erect a fence around that field? They are going to erect fence around the field. So we need to know the perimeter. If you know perimeter, you will know the amount. Amount to be spent. So if you know perimeter, you know amount to be spent to erect a fence. Now how you get perimeter? To know perimeter, you need to know the length and breadth. Length and breadth. If you know length and breadth, you will know perimeter. How you know length and breadth? You need to find the area. Here you see an amount of taka 10,260 spent to plant at taka 1.90 per square meter. From here we get the area. So from area we get length and breadth. From length and breadth we get perimeter. From perimeter we know amount to be spent. So let us proceed. To plant grass, because we need to find the area, means square meter will be on the right side and taka will be on the left side. So to plant grass, 1.90 taka, 1.90 taka spent on 1 square meter. As they said, at taka 1.90 per square meter. That means 1.90 taka spent on 1 square meter. Therefore, 1 taka, this is unitary method. First find unit price and then we find the price of big figure. So 1 taka, therefore 1 taka spent on 1 divided by 1.90 square meter. Therefore total taka spent 10260. 10260 taka spent on. So 10260 divided by 1.90 square meter equals to, if we simplify, so multiply by 100 both numerator and denominator. So 190 and this will be 10260 and 00 square meter. That equals to, therefore, area, we found the area equals to 5400 square meter. Again from question, you see here, it says the length of rectangular field is 1.5 times its breadth. If breadth is x meter, length is 1.5 x meter. Suppose breadth equals to x meter. Therefore, length equals to 1.5 x meter. Therefore, area, we get area here. Area equals to length into breadth 1.5 x multiplied by x, and the unit will be square meter, equals to 1.5 x square meter. Now can we write 1.5 x square meter equals to 5400 square meter? Yes. Therefore 1.5 x square equals to, we can write 5400. Therefore x square equals to 5400 divided by 1.5 equals to, multiply by 10, both denominator and numerator, just to simplify. So 15 and 54000. Now we can divide very easily, and the result will be 3600. It will be square meter, but x square equals to 3600. Therefore value of x equals to, if we use root both sides, 3600 equals to 60. Therefore breadth equals to 60 meter and length equals to 1.5 into 60 meter equals to 90 meter. Now we found the breadth, length and breadth. Now can we find perimeter? Yes, but before that let us make some room. Therefore perimeter equals to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. There are two breadth, 1, 2 and 2 length, 1, 2. So 2 into breadth equals to 2 into 90 meter plus 2 into 60 meter equals to, it will be 300 meter. Now they said to erect fence you need to spend 2.50 taka per meter. So can we find how much money we need for 300 meter? Yes. To erect fence along the perimeter, the rate is 2.50 taka per meter. So 1 meter needs 2.50 টাকা। Therefore 300 meter needs 300 multiply 2.50 টাকা equals to 300 into 2 is 600 and half is 150, so 750 টাকা. So we need how much money will be spent. We got the answer 750 টাকা. So answer 750 টাকা. We can clean this part because we don't need it. So thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.